Hello YouTube and welcome Diecast family. Today I have an enormous flea market haul. Probably one of the best flea market hauls I've ever had. Definitely an enormous haul. Don't even know what all I got. I know I got a ton of cars and we're just going to hop into it. First up, I picked up some of these gassers so I could do some customs. So I was able to get 5 of them from one of the sellers. So that's cool. Won't have to go to eBay. We got some loose cars too. They're all in really good shape, including an amazing find. Now we're not going to crack nothing open, so doesn't take too long. But we got this 1968 Ford Mustang GT CS from Matchbox. Really awesome purple color. And it's new, 2020. Don't look new, it's pretty dirty. And I'm pretty sure I still needed this, a Toyota 2000 GT, which is new. And then this, which I picked up to do a custom of, and this thing's hammered, so we're just going to open it up. It's a Ford Focus RS. Going to do a Ken Block custom of it, so. Not too worried about the card. Now I'll show these loose ones on the turntable. Got this 2010 Toyota Tundra. This is for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, which you know are going on right now in 2021. And we got a 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. I don't remember it in black. And this is brand new for this year, even though it's really dirty and hammered. But I do not remember it in black. And we got this sun-faded Jeep, which I really like the paint scheme on it. It's really a factory-looking paint scheme. And this might be new as well. (2019), so 2020. But I do not think I had it. And then this seller I got some really good stuff from. Like this 2006 new model 69 Camaro Convertible. Very factory looking paint scheme. No headlights or taillights or nothing, but and for $1 I couldn't help pick up these two. I'm pretty sure I have them both, maybe. I don't know. If I don't, they're kind of cool. I don't collect very many of the tunes at all, but I do like this Z28 casting that's tuned. I don't know what it is about this. I just really like it. And their Dodge Daytona with the big spoiler or fin. I collect that one too, the tuned. I think those are the only two tuned I collect. And those are both from 2006. Just did a Chevelle video for my Muscle Car Monday, and this 69 Chevelle in black, I do not think I have it. I don't remember it. Got headlight detail, really? That's awesome. Cool. So it's a new model for 08. But this one, I don't think I could pass it up for $10. For this classic Cobra. This is old Real Riders. This is an original Real Rider. This isn't one of the newer ones that they did in the, I think, early 2000s or mid 2000s. This is one of the original ones, and this is minty mint. 1982 to 1997. So I would think 1997. So the original ones came out in the 80s. So this is not an original one. So this is from the 90s, I guess. They have ones on black cards that say Real Riders. I think they came out in like 2007 or something. But could not pass it up. And this one, $5. The 62 Chevy Bubble Top. I think it's like an antifreeze. Gold or yellow. Something Spectro Flame. Looks pretty sweet though. This is from Hot Wheels Classics. Series 2. All the cars in the series. And these came out in 2005, 2006. Love going to the flea markets because you just never know what you're going to find. It was extremely, well, it wasn't extremely hot out, but hot enough. Couldn't help to pick up an extra one of these. Guy had it on his table, $10. I don't think this will hurt. All the older releases of it all sell for $75 to $100 if you can even find one on eBay. So they have no problem selling at that price. So I recommend if you see one of these at the store or something, pick it up. It could be some really good trade bait in the future or something. Then he had Real Riders cars for $250 each. It was hard not to buy a whole bunch more of them, but did pick up some. Got an Audi. Now this is from a seller who does sell at the other flea market I go to, so I did not spend a whole lot of time at his table. Kind of already knew what he had. And I can go see him on Sunday if I want. He sets up at a flea market like 5 minutes from my work. Did not have this Michelin van though. Pretty cool. Can't beat Real Riders for $250 each. Mercedes or something. What is it? Mercedes-Benz G-Class. 1991 G-Class. Kind of cool looking. Not something I've ever seen on the road though. So I guess I did pick up quite a few for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. He might have said 6. I don't know. No, he charged me $250 each. So this one is from the truck set. So that's really awesome to get this one. The Lancia Racing. And I won't have to get the truck. So that's awesome. Nissan Nsx. Now, I think the middle or the end of August, there's actually a die-cast show that I'm going to. I don't know if they're going to have the other die-cast show that I go to every year. They did not have it last year because of COVID. But this other one, I don't think I've ever been to it before, so. Might be a good one. Then we have this 2009 new model, this 1970 Chevelle SS Wagon in yellow. Don't know if I have it or not, but I couldn't leave it behind for $1. Picked up another gasser to do a custom with. If you're not subscribed to me, definitely subscribe, especially if you like custom Hot Wheels. I'll be showing them in a future video. Made a bunch of gassers. That's what I need all the gassers for, so I can make more customs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I know these videos get a ton of views usually. Got a custom 62 Chevy, 2008 new model. So it came out in 3 color exclusives. And I think it was 2008, 2009. They came out in a 10-pack. And it was a color exclusive. There's a purple one, a red one, and a green one. And I was lucky enough to find the green one. I felt bad because it's the only car I bought off the person. And they only charged me 50 cents for it. Now it has a couple little flea bites. But this is pretty hard to find. If you're lucky, you might come across one on eBay for 40 to 85 bucks. But right now there's only one listed on eBay. Big flea bite there, but unfortunate. There's only one listed on eBay, and they're asking like $700 for all 3 of them, but they're still in the 10 packs. So I don't know what you would think that is, but this is a really rare, really hard to find. And I found a red one that's really beat up worse than this. So only one I have left to find is a purple one. And I'll have all 3 of I think the hardest release of this to get. And which one's the hardest out of the 3 color variations? Purple, the red, or the green, I'm not sure. They don't come up on eBay very often at all. When they do, they instantly sell. I feel like if I put this on there for like 85 bucks, it probably sell in a day. Guarantee it. But just because there's so many people who are looking for it. Just crazy. Absolutely crazy. I'm just happy to have it in my collection. And I just picked it up because I like the casting. I thought it might have been the exclusive, but I wasn't sure because it had a gold bed. So I thought it might have been like a holiday release or something. They've released this casting a ton of times, so. But it's definitely one I'm going after. And I'll have to check and make sure I don't have this one before I crack it open, so. Maybe some of these will make it into a Muscle Car Monday. Did end up paying 10 bucks for this. But man, I've been wanting this Lamborghini for a really long time. And I never found it in the store. It's the only one I haven't found in the store. It's the only one I've never seen other sellers have at like the flea market and stuff. They'll have all the cars from this set. But that one. That's the only one they won't have. So that's just crazy. Happy to have that. Freaking awesome. And it was still probably cheaper than going to eBay, because eBay I would have to pay for shipping. I did pick up another gasser. I'll try and pick up as many of these gassers as I can. And same with the 510s. Because I want to do a bunch of different color variations of the Super Treasure Hunt one. So definitely trying to pick up as many as I can find. And for $3 and $2, it's cheaper than going to eBay to get them. And then I do not think I have this one. No, it's not the one I thought it was. Son of a gun. I might have this one. For some reason, I was thinking it was this one. Damn. I need this one loose. I can't crack this one open, because this one is actually right there. This one's actually autographed by Larry Woods. So, it actually has 2 Larry Woods signatures. One on the card and then one on this to like authenticate it. So, I cannot crack this one open, because it's an autographed Larry Woods. And I think I do have this one, so that's a bummer. But oh well. Only $2, can't beat it for $2 either. Picked up this older Porsche. Not sure if I have it or not. Probably do. If I do, maybe this one will become a Falcon or a Golf Porsche. I'm really going to try and do 2 of every custom from now on, so I can sell one and keep one for the collection. It was real hard to sell some customs and let them go. But I feel like I'll be able to let it go if I have a second one that I'm keeping in the collection. So, and I'm sorry I haven't posted a lot of videos. I've been spending a lot of time doing customs. They're really time consuming. So we have this Bentley Continental Super Sport. Not sure if I have it. Gotta go through everything and check. This release is from 2018-19. I don't know if I have any of these. Mclaren P1 Ford Gt. It's hard to tell what color they are, but I don't ever remember seeing these. I don't think I ever found them in the stores when they were out. I got a cool combi, because I'll need to pick up a bunch of these for customs. Actually, the Hello Kitty one, I don't know if it's still selling for good money on eBay, but it was selling for pretty good money on eBay. So, but for $2 or $3, if I find a cool combi or a gasser, 510 or something, I guess I kind of have to pick it up, because it's cheaper than going to eBay for it. I never find them in the stores because of hoarders. This person, we got some loose ones. I'm going to wait and show these. These are Johnny Lightnings. It was hard not to buy all of them, but I would have just... I offered him a deal for all of them, and he didn't take it. So I just picked out the ones I wanted. Some of the other ones I thought I might have already had, I did not pick up. They were in little auto rolled 6-car display cases, and I was hoping he had the auto rolls, but he did not. I don't know where the auto rolls were. He just had these old Johnny Lightnings, so. Of course, I had to get the 57. This is an M2, I think. No, it's a Johnny Lightning. There you go. Oh. And this, I just couldn't help picking these up for $1. Even though I don't collect NASCAR. And he had a big pile of them on the ground, and he kept trying to offer me a deal for all of them, like $25 and then $20, but I just picked up 5 or 6 of them. These ones, Jeff Gordon was always my favorite racer. This is a 10. Looks like a Pepsi machine, which is pretty cool, and get a car in it. I'm pretty sure these ones that came in the 10. Some of these NASCARs are like the most detailed little 1/64th cars you'll find. They'll come apart. Not this one, but some of them come apart. And they're just extremely detailed. You got all the sponsorships. If I can pick these up for $1, I might actually go after the Jeff Gordons, because I remember all these different paint schemes that he ran. Some of these paint schemes, they only ran for one race. So, it'd be kind of cool to have a collection of them all different. Plus, I could get into all the older NASCARs, because I used to be a big fan of NASCAR, even though I do not watch it anymore. This one, Jeff Gordon, from 1995, a truck. Pretty cool, have his paint scheme on a truck. And these are filthy, but worth $1. This one comes with a sticker. And it's his flame paint job. Pretty cool paint job. And this I've been wanting to go to eBay for and pay like $10 for, just because of all the little guys. Would you look at that? Ended up getting it for $1. So just picked up the Dale Earnhardt one of these. Okay, I thought it'd be worth it for all them figures, but them figures are rubber. And they're kind of glued down, or not glued down, they're actually like melted down to the base. They go through the plastic base and then they melt them on the other side. So, you could cut them off from the base, but they're really flimsy. But I think it'd be cool to have a bunch of these pit rows all lined up. And then my sister-in-law is having a flea market, and she gave me this. And I love Mark Martin, one of the best, nicest NASCAR racers there's ever been. Raced into his late years. Even after he kept saying he was going to retire, he didn't. I think he came in second place or something for the Winston Cup, for the points race. One of his last years, or his last year, and that's just unreal. Very, very, very consistent career, and never won a championship. Very unfortunate. Love Mark Martin, though. Didn't like Ford. He always drove Ford, but one of the nicest guys there is. And I've been kind of wanting to go to eBay for this Rick and Morty. I thought it was cool that Hot Wheels did Rick and Morty. I'm not a big Rick or Morty fan, but I know people who are. And when I see something done up in Rick and Morty theme, it looks kind of cool. Like somebody had a system in their car. It was all done up. Rick and Morty, the box, plexiglass and lights, and it looked pretty cool. The whole vehicle was. But for $3, can't beat it. And $3 for this playing man as Johnny Lightning. The card is bust, and the car might even be sun faded from sitting outside for so long for $3. This 1995 Honda Accord Custom. Pretty cool. Then I picked up a Bugatti. I think it was $1. This thing, Transit Authority, die-cast metal collection. No idea what this is, but I'm pretty sure. Wait. Can't read a name on the bottom. Looks like the Mercedes. It is a Mercedes supercar. So I thought that was pretty different. Came out in 2003 and it's made by Maisto. So there you go. It's a Maisto. 2003. And we got another 57 Chevy Bel Air from Johnny Lightning. It was $3, I think, or $2. Probably $3. And we got a Honda Civic. One I know I do not have. Horrible wheels on there. Kind of cool paint scheme. Another Johnny Lightning. A Plymouth. (1970) Challenger TA. Pretty cool. And then we got and we got this Pride Rides Honda Civic, which I thought had a cool paint job. So went ahead and picked it up. I'm going to reposition the camera and we'll take a look at all these loose ones I got. We'll start out with the best one ever. Definitely probably my best flea market score ever, I think. Absolutely amazing to get one loose in this kind of shape. Unreal. And we got an Olds 442, which I thought had really cool paint. So I picked it up. Like the Olds 442. It's one of my favorite old muscle cars. I don't know if I have this one. I probably do, I think. This 2007 Dodge Challenger. Some of these might have a couple little flea bites, but for the most part they're in pretty good shape. And we got a Dodge Charger Drift. I don't really dig through the loose bins at the flea market anymore because the cars are too beat up for me. Unless I'm going to pull a Ferrari 599 or something out of one that I can do a custom out of. So I will look around a little bit. I was looking for a car I can do a custom of. So if it's all beat up and all scratched up, old 599, I don't mind, but it still has to have a good windshield. So a lot of times I just rather open up a new Hot Wheels to do a custom. But this one looked really cool in the Mopar paint scheme. Don't think I have it. Could definitely get into collecting all the Mopar paint schemes because Greenlight does them too, and they all look like they're wrapped, which I think is a cool look. I did get a Ferrari 355 in really good shape. Almost think this came out of a Ferrari 5-pack. Got a Honda Nsx, which I almost think is a mystery car out of one of the mystery packs. I'm not sure if I have it or not. But for 50 cents or $1, I can't pass it up. And we got a Ford GT40. Really awesome paint scheme. Not sure if I have it or not. And we'll take a closer look at them Johnny Lightnings I picked up. So definitely check your local flea markets, guys. Never know what you're going to find. This is one of the biggest flea markets in the country. It's about an hour from me. This is first time I made it there this year, but they have it every Friday in Rogers, Ohio. And I don't know if it still is, but at one time I know that they advertised they were the largest flea market on the East Coast or on this side of the Mississippi River. So a lot of walking around. It took us 5 hours, I think, to walk everything. And this is an awesome shape with awesome detail. And it looks good in black. And we got this Plymouth Barracuda. Which I know sometimes are white lightnings. That's all it was white wheels or a white base. So this is probably a white lightning that I paid $2 for. Huh. It might be. I don't know if they did white wheels and white bases. If any of you are big Johnny Lightning collectors out there, let me know. I know sometimes they have white interiors and they were just real subtle on their white lightning. Cool looking car though. And then we have this Johnny Lightning Camaro in Burgundy. Beautiful Burgundy car. So I'm not sure if I have this one either, because a few years back, 3, 4, 5, 6 years ago, I really went after a lot of Burgundy cars, and Johnny Lightning does a ton of them. Greenlight, not so much. Auto rolled. For a while there, I had almost every single Ultra Red ever released. And I'm still really close. There's a lot of the trucks I don't have, and I'm never going to go after. I don't need 55 Ultra Reds of the trucks. I just don't. So the 30 trucks that I do not have, I probably will never go after because I'm not going to spend that kind of money for each one of them. They just released it way too many times. But I love collecting them, so. So, that's all I got to show you for this flea market haul. Probably one of the largest flea market hauls ever for me. Pretty large. Some really good finds, though. Definitely some stuff I was really happy to find. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you hit it. And leave comments. Let me know what you guys have been finding. Make sure to follow my Instagram and leave messages. Leave comments. Have an awesome